Before lightweight eyeglasses, before contact lenses, before laser vision correction, there was the monocle. Simple, precise, distinctive. It wasn't created to make a statement. It was designed to sharpen one. The story of the monocle begins in the 18th century. As optical science advanced, lens makers discovered that many people required correction in only one eye. Rather than wearing a full pair of spectacles, a single carefully crafted lens provided an elegant solution. Its compact design quickly gained popularity among scholars, military officers, business leaders, and members of European high society. The science behind the monocle begins with optics. Each lens is precisely ground to correct specific visual imperfections. Its polished rim distributes pressure gently around the eye socket. A carefully shaped gallery improves stability while minimizing discomfort. High-quality optical glass reduces distortion, allowing remarkably clear vision through a single lens. Construction demanded exceptional craftsmanship. Every lens was individually polished. Metal rims were shaped with extraordinary precision. Retaining cords prevented accidental loss. Leather cases protected the delicate glass during travel. Every component reflected the remarkable accuracy required in traditional optical manufacturing. Throughout history, the monocle became far more than a vision aid. It appeared in universities, military traditions, diplomatic circles, and the worlds of science and finance. Its unmistakable silhouette came to represent education, authority, and thoughtful observation. Psychologically, the monocle symbolizes focus. It encourages careful examination rather than quick judgment. Its deliberate use reflects patience, precision, and attention to detail. Sometimes, seeing clearly begins by slowing down. Today, modern optical engineering has largely replaced the monocle with more practical solutions. Yet master artisans continue producing handcrafted examples for collectors, ceremonial use, and historical reenactment. Advanced optical materials improve clarity. Precision machining enhances consistency. Traditional polishing techniques preserve the artistry that first defined the accessory. Today, the monocle remains one of history's most recognizable optical inventions. Its craftsmanship continues celebrating the marriage of science and artistry. Its legacy reminds us that remarkable innovation does not always require complexity. Sometimes, one carefully crafted lens is enough to change the way we see the world. Every polished edge reflects centuries of optical innovation. Every perfectly ground lens preserves the legacy of master craftsmen. Every monocle reminds us that true clarity often begins by focusing on a single point.